case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1969 landmark State v. Segovia case, the Idaho Supreme Court grappled with the question of who bears the burden of proof when it comes to possession of a substance that requires a legal prescription. Is it the state's responsibility to prove the accused did not possess a legitimate prescription, or is it the burden of the defendant to prove they did? The unique twist in this instance was that the substance in question, marijuana, is classified as illegal for all uses in the state, muddying the legal waters further. This case emerged when Florentino Segovia and Ramiro Hernandez Garcia were arrested for possessing marijuana without a prescription. As recounted in the trial, 2 police officers saw the pair strolling through a parking lot, casually smoking a homemade cigarette which they then discarded. After retrieving and examining the discarded item, which was found to be laced with marijuana, the officers arrested Segovia and Garcia. A subsequent search of Garcia revealed another marijuana-laced cigarette. Both the pharmacist and medical technologist verified it as marijuana, leading the jury to declare both Segovia and Garcia guilty based on this evidence. Their sentences ranged up to 30 months in the state penitentiary. Segovia and Garcia challenged their convictions, arguing that the state had not provided evidence that they lacked a prescription for marijuana. However, the Idaho Supreme Court ruled against them, positing that the burden should fall on the state to prove that the defendants are not within the exceptions of the law, only when those exceptions are integral to the language describing and defining the offense. The exceptions did not apply in this case, since marijuana was classified as a Class A narcotic drug, and thus its uses are not acknowledged for medicinal purposes in the United States. With its decision, the High Court affirmed the judgments of conviction, backed by the substantial evidence presented in the original trial.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.